In this video, I'll be going over how you can build an entire email list from scratch using Flodesk. If you have 0 subscribers right now, this video will walk you through every step of building an actual email list that grows and makes you money. And if you would like to get started for free as you watch along, go ahead and grab the link below this video for your convenience and sign up for a 14-day free trial with Flodesk. Now, if you are completely unfamiliar with what Flodesk actually is, it is an email marketing platform that lets you design and send beautiful emails, build automations, grow your list, and sell digital products all from one dashboard. It keeps it simple. You get started for free or test out all of the features with a 14-day free trial, and then you can set up your first form, landing page, and welcome email in under 30 minutes with 0 prior experience. The interface just makes sense. The other reason is design quality, as your emails will represent your brand. When someone opens a message from you, it should look professional and clean. Flodesk's templates are genuinely beautiful out of the box. You pick one, you drop in your content, match your brand colors, and it looks like a designer had made it. Now, if you already have an email marketing platform in mind, you can also continue with it. The actual process is pretty much the same. But once you've created your account, we move on to the next step, which is creating a lead magnet. You will need to offer something valuable in exchange for somebody's email, and that's what's called a lead magnet. The best ones are usually short, specific, and immediately useful. Something that solves one clear problem in under 10 minutes. Some formats that actually work are a checklist, a template, a cheat sheet, or a short video walkthrough. So with your lead magnet figured out, next up we want to build our landing page and sign up form. Inside Flodesk, you want to go to the forms section. From here, you will have a couple of options: a full landing page, a pop-up form, or an inline form that you can embed on your website. Also, if you don't have a website yet, then no problem, as Flodesk's landing page works as a standalone page with its own URL. You can share that link anywhere, even if you don't have a website. Now, your landing page that you make should have 3 things. A headline that tells people exactly what they are getting, something like download a free 7-day meal plan, or get the client's email template. A few bullet points explaining what's inside and why it's valuable. And the sign up form where they can enter their email. In Flodesk, you pick a landing page template, you customize the text and colors to match your brand, connect it to a segment in your subscriber list, and publish. The whole thing should take you about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you share that landing page everywhere: your Instagram bio, a TikTok bio, etc. Every platform that you're active on should have a path leading to this landing page. The next step would be to set up your welcome sequence. This is the most important step right after somebody subscribes. Whenever a new person joins your list, they are at their most engaged state. Welcome emails have open rates between 50 and 80%. So inside Flodesk, you want to go to the workflows and create a new workflow and set the trigger to when someone joins the segment connected to your landing page. A sequence I recommend for most beginners would be 3 emails. The first one will go out immediately after they sign up. This email delivers the lead magnet, introduces who you are in 1 or 2 sentences, and tells them what to expect from your emails. You want to keep it short because the goal is to deliver what you promised and make a good first impression. The second email will go out a couple of days later. You can add a delay for this, and then the email should give them one genuinely valuable tip, insight, or resource related to the lead magnet that they got. The third email will go out 4 to 5 days later after the sign up, and this email can include a soft mention of your product, service, or offers. The amazing thing about that is that you just build it once in Flodesk and then it runs forever. Every new subscriber gets the same experience automatically without you doing anything. So now that your welcome sequence is running and people are starting to sign up, let's quickly go over how you can actually manage those subscribers inside Flodesk. So you want to head over to the audience tab, and this is where all of your subscribers will be. You will see everyone who's signed up through any of your forms, landing pages, or manual imports. The main way you organize subscribers in Flodesk is through segments, as these are basically labels that you attach to groups of subscribers based on how they joined or what they are interested in. For example, you might have a segment called Meal Plan Leads for people who downloaded that template, and a separate segment called Email Template Leads for people who grabbed your client's email template. When you built your landing page in the previous steps, you connected it to a segment. Every subscriber who comes through that page automatically gets tagged with that segment. To create a new one manually, you want to go to the audience and then click Segments and create a new one. You name it something clear, as you will be using these to send targeted emails later, so generic names like List 1 might not help you in a few weeks or months. And if you have existing contacts from another platform or a spreadsheet, you can import them as well. You go to Audience, click Add Subscribers, and upload a CSV file. Flodesk will automatically map out the columns, email, first name, last name, etc. and let you assign those contacts to a segment during the import. Now, as your list grows past a few hundred subscribers, you will want to start sending different emails to different segments based on what they signed up for. And that's the whole point of organizing it early. Now, if you are wondering how does Flodesk compare to some of the competitors like Kit, for example, specifically for list building, since this is another platform that comes up for most creators. Now, Kit lets you send emails for up to 10,000 subscribers on their free plan. Flodesk's free plan lets you collect subscribers and build forms, but it doesn't let you send emails. You will need to opt for any of the paid plans for that. Now, the experience of actually building your list is where Flodesk pulls ahead. The landing pages and sign-up forms in Flodesk look significantly better. If you use Kit, you will notice that they have plain backgrounds, basic layouts, limited design control, but on Flodesk, you will get polished, branded landing pages that actually look professional right out of the box. The email design gap carries over as well, as Kit's emails are intentionally text heavy and plain. That works for a lot of creators, but if your brand has a visual identity with colors, fonts, imagery, then Flodesk lets your emails match everything else that you put out. Kit does not give you that level of design control without custom coding. So for building a list from scratch as a beginner, Flodesk gets you to a professional looking setup faster with less effort. Alright, so that's in essence the full process of building and enriching your email list. You pick a platform, create a lead magnet, build your landing page, set up a welcome sequence, and then drive traffic to it. You will have a functioning email list that grows on autopilot. So if you're interested in starting out with Flodesk for free, go ahead and navigate to the link directly below this video and create your free account. Or you can test out any of these powerful features for 14 days for free before committing to a paid plan. So that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make similar to this one.